Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap and mid cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investments. Friday, October the 15th, I've got two great press releases for you. Let's get straight to it. First off, China Cablecom Holding trades on the NASDAQ under CABL. They put out their second quarter financials. This is a provider of cable television services in the PRC. I'll talk about that in a second. Here are some of the highlights from the press release. I've consolidated the numbers from a couple of different joint ventures that they've got. Revenues appear to have come into about $14 million for the quarter. Nice number, up approximately 30%. EBITDA, $4 million. That's up about 55%, and their cable service in the Hubei province added about 23,000 new subscribers during the quarter. Now, a little bit about the company. They're operating in partnership with a local state-owned enterprise that has been authorized by the PRC government to control the distribution of cable TV services. They've got a 55% economic interest in the cable network in the Hubei province, and they've got paying subscribers exceeding 1.2 million. That's a pretty nice number there. Closed yesterday 61 cents. Now that's a little due diligence on your side is necessary. Their 52-week high is 270, so they're way off their 52-week high. You have to go back and see if they've had any negative events. Their 52-week low, 36 cents. Otherwise, I like the revenues, I like the growth, but definitely worth taking a closer look at. Next up, Yingli Green Energy. We couldn't miss them. They're all over the World Cup this past summer. They trade on the New York Stock Exchange under YGE. It's not a revenue number or anything like that, but they're announcing new 700 megawatt capacity expansion to their production. That tells me the company must have a great view of its sales pipeline, what it sees coming down the road. They wouldn't be doing this otherwise. So look for revenues to probably ramp up. This is a solar energy company that's saying one of the world's largest vertically integrated photovoltaic manufacturers. It's a 700 megawatt capacity expansion. With the completion of the expansion, the company capacity will increase to 1.7 gigawatts, and they're expecting the expansion projects will begin initial production in the middle of 2011. So they're not very far away from that at all. They closed yesterday 13.55, dead smack in the middle of the 52-week trading range, 19.11 to the high and 8.31 to the low. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Two pretty good press releases for you today. But if you're looking for more great Chinese small mid-cap news, then get yourself to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. Three things to do there. Watch the show on a daily basis. Two, take a look at the best press releases that we believe have come out of the 300 companies we're tracking over the past week. And finally, get yourself into our directory. That's where you can find great, succinct descriptions of each one of those 300 companies. And you can even narrow that list down by industry and or exchange so you can find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you on Monday.